Hi and welcome to this video. In this video, 5 basic exercises are demonstrated on the row machine. The 5 basic exercises include the overhand grip pull, the underhand grip pull, the cross grip right pull, the cross grip left pull, and the overhand high pull. Each of these exercises target different muscle groups, so stay tuned and find out how. If you found this content informative, please be sure to like and subscribe. Your comments and contributions help promote future content. The overhand grip pull is the more popular grip used in the row machine. The motion simulates rowing a canoe with 2 oars. The muscles used in the overhand grip pull include the arm muscles, including wrists, forearm, biceps, deltoids, triceps, and lats. Generally, this exercise will target the muscles behind the arms. The back muscles, to include upper and lower back muscles, and lats. The stomach muscles, muscles in the abdominal region, are used to stabilize the torso during the exercise, and the leg muscles, to include the upper quads, hamstrings, shins, calves, and ankles. The leg muscles are used to extend and retract the body during the rowing exercise. Throughout the movement, the user exercises all the affected muscles while spreading the energy across each muscle region evenly so as not to overexert any one muscle group throughout the duration of the exercise. The underhand grip pull works many of the same muscles as demonstrated in the overhand grip pull. The underhand grip pull, however, emphasizes the bicep muscles when pulling the body back, or during the contraction phase of the row machine exercise. The underhand grip pull shifts the work to the biceps, providing ample opportunity to isolate these muscles in both arms. This is felt most when pulling the body back toward the row machine during the exercise. As with the other row machine exercise, the work is spread evenly across other muscle regions to provide well-rounded training session. In addition, alternating grips during a row machine exercise session contributes to a more dynamic workout experience. The cross grip right pull simulates paddling a canoe with 1 oar down and to the right. The movement involves the same primary muscle regions used in the other row machine exercises to include the muscles in the legs, lower and upper back, as well as the abdominal muscles. The cross grip right pull emphasizes a down and behind pull that engages both arms and opposing muscles involving the chest on the left side to contract and drive the movement rearward. This movement, in combination with contractions of the upper and lower right side of the back, results in a torquey movement, twisting the torso slightly while driving the right elbow rearward and toward the back. Adjustments are made throughout the exercise to distribute the amount of exertion used in the arms while avoiding muscle fatigue during the exercise. Alternating grips during the rowing exercise contribute to a well-rounded, dynamic training session. The cross grip left pull simulates paddling a canoe with 1 oar down and to the left. The movement involves the same primary muscle regions used in the other row machine exercises to include the muscles in the legs, lower and upper back, as well as the abdominal muscles. The cross grip left pull emphasizes a down and rearward pull engaging the left arm and right side of the chest muscles. In addition to working muscles in the arms and chest, the cross grip left pull engages muscles in the upper and lower left side of the back as well. Emphasis is felt in the center of the back as the left scapula is contracted to the right as the handle is driven back. At the peak of the movement, the torso twists as the left elbow finishes toward the back. As with each of these 5 basic row machine exercises, adjustments are made throughout the exercise session to distribute energy exertions evenly across affected muscle regions to avoid any one muscle becoming overworked and fatigued. Alternating grips during the rowing exercise contributes to a well-rounded, dynamic training session. The overhand grip high pull involves gripping the row machine handle with palms facing down, similar to the overhand grip pull. Instead of driving the handle towards the center of the torso, the overhand grip high pull guides the motion of the handle upward towards the top of the chest, across the front of the shoulders, and collarbones. The upward motion enhances the exertion across the upper arm muscles. At the peak of the pull, the deltoids, traps, and both scapulars are contracted, while the chest is expanded to accommodate full range of motion throughout. Coordinate movement to the rest of the engaged muscles to include the legs, abdominal, and lower back regions effectively to achieve a balanced training session across all these muscle regions. Alternate between the other row machine grips during the rowing session to provide a well-rounded and dynamic training experience. This presentation covered 5 basic row machine grip exercises to include the overhand grip pull, the underhand grip pull, the cross grip right pull, the cross grip left pull, and the overhand high pull. Each of these row machine exercises work core muscle groups in the legs, abdomen, torso, chest, arms, and back, and can be used individually or interchangeably throughout the training session. To maximize training effectiveness and to avoid muscle fatigue, regulate energy exertions by distributing workloads across the various muscles involved to achieve a balanced training experience.